Hello everyone, today I want to talk about my first day at work. It was one of the most interesting and stressful days of my life. I remember waking up very early that morning. I was excited but also very nervous. I kept thinking, what if I make a mistake? Or what if I don't understand anything? When I reached the office, everything looked so big and new. There were many people, and everyone seemed very busy. For a moment I just stood there and didn't know what to do. Then, a colleague came to me and asked, "Are you new here?" I said yes, and she helped me find my desk. That small moment made me feel much better. During the day, I learned many new things. Some tasks were easy, but some were difficult. I made a few mistakes, but I also asked questions and tried my best. At lunch, I sat with my team. We talked about simple things like food and hobbies. Slowly, I started to feel more comfortable. By the end of the day, I was tired, but also happy. I realized that it's okay to feel nervous when you try something new. Now when I look back, I feel proud of myself. That first day was not perfect, but it was the beginning of something important. Thank you for listening.